Hi everybody, welcome back. I hope you are enjoying this beautiful day and the beautiful weather. Now today, before I get started, I wanted to share with you something that I did before I started making the videos for you. This morning I went for a walk, so I put my runners on, I put my activewear on, and I started walking in my local park. But this time I was being very careful at observing and looking for things around me, for things that I could hear, for things that I could smell, for things that I could see, for things that I could taste, and for things that I could touch. So today I was using my 5 senses. We haven't been learning about our 5 senses before, but it's important to start learning about them. So the first sense is sight. Second, hearing, smell, taste, and feel. So 5 senses. When I went for my walk, I paid attention and I started using my eyes to see for things that were around me. And what I saw were beautiful, colorful trees. I saw autumn flowers and I saw the sun shining. So when I came back, I drew some of the things that I saw. And this is one of my senses, sight. We use our sight. So we use our eyes to see or look for things around us. Then my second sense that I had to use was hearing. So I wanted to hear for things that were around me. And you know what I could hear? I could hear the chirping birds. And I could hear some wind blowing. It wasn't a strong wind, it was just a very nice, pleasant wind. But I could still hear it blowing. So these were some of the things that I could hear with my second sense, which is hearing. Then I had to use my third sense, which is touch. And feel. So I wanted to feel some things. And then I went and touched the crunchy leaves. And then I could feel the grass, and then I could feel the ground as I walked. So these were some of the things that I felt with my third sense. And then I had to look for things that I could taste, but actually I didn't find anything outside in the park. So then I came home and I thought about the things that I could taste today or another day, but I did it today. So I had an apple, and that was something that I could taste today. I had my porridge for breakfast. I could taste the maple syrup. And then for dinner, I'm going to have chicken soup. So I drew the chicken soup too because this is something that I could taste today. But you can draw anything you like, something that you tasted today. And it doesn't have to be from your walk in the park. It can be from your home too, or from your fridge. And then this is your fourth sense, taste. And we have to use our mouth and our tongues to have the sense of tasting. And then my fifth sense that I had to use was smell. So I smelled the grass, I smelled the autumn leaves, and I smelled the fire coming from the fireplaces and the smoke. All the smoke that was coming out of the chimney. Some people had their fireplaces on. So these were some of the things that I smelled today. And this was my fifth sense. So I would like you to give it a go. Draw the things that you could see from your walk. Things that you could hear, things that you could feel and touch, feel that you could taste, things that you could taste, and things that you could smell. Okay, your drawings doesn't have to be as neatly as mine, but give it a go, try your best. Then, after I did this, I also had to go and collect leaves. With the leaves, I started to put them in order first, and then I counted them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I collected more than 10. But then I had to sort them and put them by their size. So you can do that at home too. Small, medium, large leaves. You can sort them by the size. You can sort them by color too. And then what I did with my leaves was I wanted to turn them into different shapes. So I started with the first shape, and this is the shape of a square. And if I turn it around, can you tell me what you see? Because I can see can you say it out loud? A triangle. Very good. So I made a square and then I I made a triangle out of the leaves. And then I made a diamond. It doesn't look like a real diamond, but it's still pretty close. I tried my best, and that's what it's all about. Doesn't matter if we make mistakes. We just need to give it a go and try our best. So this is my diamond, or a rhombus. When you go to school, your teachers will call it a rhombus. But at Kinder, we can call it a diamond if we want, or a rhombus. It's up to you. I call it both. And I wanted to ask you a question. When you look at my shapes, do you know what you see? Because I can see the faces of the shape. So a square has 4 faces. The flat parts of the shape are faces. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the square has 4 faces. And I can also see edges. The edges are the pointy bits where the faces meet and connect together. So 1 edge, 2, 3, 4. So the square has 4 faces and 4 edges. What about the triangle? Can we all count them together? 1 flat face, 2, and then another one, 3. So the triangle has 3 flat faces. And how many edges do you think the triangle has? 1, 2, 3. So 3 edges and 3 faces. Excellent. What about the diamond? The diamond is 1 flat face, 2, 3, 4. So 4 flat faces and 1, 2, 3, 4 edges. Excellent. What about the circle? I am going to draw a circle right now. What about the circle? Do you think the circle has any edges? No. No, it doesn't. The circle doesn't have any edges, but it has a curved face. 1 curved face. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the videos today, and I hope you had fun on your walk, and I cannot wait to see all your different shapes that you've created with the leaves. You're sorting by size, by number, by color, so give it a go. And then I cannot wait to see your drawings. Remember, they don't have to be as good as mine because I'm older and I'm more experienced at drawing, but just give it a go. Even if you can draw one thing for each one of your senses, it will be awesome. All right, can't wait to see everything. Bye guys, have fun. Nice to see you all. Bye.